और हरे कृष्ण मंत्र जपा सत्संग किया और प्रसाद भी खिलाया, स्वीट स्वीट और फ्रूट। बाद में अभी जस्ट माय असिस्टेंट वेंट हाउस and just searching my YouTube comments.
Okay.
Bali.
I've called earlier also, but you didn't pick my call.
Sorry.
I thought you were chanting or you.
No,
You
actually,
must be busy, right?
yeah, I went to Ayodhya
Oh wow!
and Haridwar.
And yes, you sent me your pic.
Yeah.
And
Have you
then
seen my videos or pics?
then I thought to call you, but due to some reasons, I was not able to call you. Then I'll call you after earlier, just 2-3 days before. But
I saw your call. I thought I will call you later, but due to so much pressure, traveling and so I got a little bit sick 3 days. So still I continue my program. So yesterday, I start my Tirtha Yatra and end with Radha Yatra.
Okay.
So that's the thing. So please tell me why you call me. So I am unable to.
I have just called you just usually as such because
Then-
it's true.
Then it's okay. So everything fine?
So how was your days at Haridwar and
Oh, extremely hazy. I can't express my joy, happiness. Just you can see in my face, and you can bliss. See?
I was able to see, and also in February I went to Haridwar.
February? Achha, okay, yeah.
Yes, and the water was so pure.
Yeah.
So cold actually. I
Yeah.
was not able to take bath.
You had or not?
Sorry?
You had bath or not?
No, I didn't take bath, but I just
Sprinkle.
I just wash my face, just foot and legs, and just वो दिया और वो होता है ना गुरुजी just
My
flowers
assistant.
वगैरह and everything.
We went to Haridwar and Rishikesh.
Okay.
So we both took bath in Haridwar.
Oh
It
my
was
God, but water must be very cold.
yeah,
How
it's
was you
okay.
able
It's
to-
okay. But in Rishikesh, my assistant was not. He didn't. Guruji, I sprinkle little water. I can't enter. You see, I had a holy dip, but also in Telugu I use little poetry. Inside Ganga there is a banda. Bahar andar bahut tanda.
Exactly.
Arey, see, I said Gangalo Gaza. Gaza means shivering.
But this is a COVID period running right now, so they are allowing you to take bath inside the Haridwar.
Arey, happily.
Okay, I thought due to COVID they will not allow.
No, arey, happily. They say you wear mask wherever you are.
Acha.
That's it.
Okay. So now you are fine, or you are?
I am very happy. A little bit tired, but that's it only. But only because exhausted actually. In one word, I can say.
Exhausted. Yeah.
Because so much traveling, train, bus, bike, auto, flight, car.
It took around 6 to 7 hours from Delhi to Haridwar, and you are coming from Hyderabad, so it must be very long journey.
Yeah.
Right, Guruji?
Yeah. Actually, we started from, I tell you, from Tirupati to one place called Tadipatri, some 5-6 hours from Tirupati.
Okay.
There was a program, Shivaratri.
Acha.
After Shivaratri program, we went to another place, Gadwal and Nagar Karnool, and we went to Hyderabad. From there, we went Hyderabad to Haridwar to Ayodhya to Lucknow to Hyderabad to Rajahmundry to Tirupati.
you have covered lots of places, lots of pilgrims. Na?
So much, so much.
That's why you were so much exhausted.
Yeah, really, really. Mentally, I'm very happy, but physically, I'm unable to.
Physically, right.
And one more thing, what to say? While coming from Ayodhya,
Yes.
I get tears. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there's some vibes, I think. That
I can't actually. But I'm not happy. Of course, I'm happy, but I'm not satisfied because very less. We spend maybe some 30 hours. Not
Okay.
much. We plan to go to Chitrakoot, but due to some urgent call, we came back quickly. Actually, I want to
so
spend
there
some
was
more time.
bustling or there was little crowd? No, more crowd.
Well, Ayodhya, it's okay, normal.
Okay.
But Haridwar is more crowd.
Okay, okay.
And we went to Nilkant Mahadev also.
Oh, wow.
You know?
Yeah, I have visited there around 8 years before.
Oh,
And it's a small shivling there.
yeah.
And I poured doodh milk.
Yeah.
They give outside that mandir.
We did.
A packet and
You
glass.
can watch in my videos.
Okay, I'll definitely watch. Although I didn't get anything because of the language issue, but I used to watch it a lot.
See, language is not a matter at all because you can and see one person from somewhere north only, he called me, Swamiji, I don't understand your language, but I understood your body language.
Yeah. Same thing happened with me, Guruji, also. The thing I can feel what you are trying to say.
Yeah.
But exactly I won't be able to.
Of course.
But I used to watch. I used to matlab, feel ki what you are trying to explain your devotees. Your
Yeah,
disciples.
yes.
The one thing is always there, chant Hare Krishna.
Yes,
whatever.
just now also, small kids, you believe me, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year kids also sat in front of my house and I put fan and I gave fruits and sweets and I gave small malas to chant. You can watch later, I will upload. And one thing I want to say, what to say? See, one good news. Just with my assistant, I made a list. One point in my list, dub Guruji important videos.
What
Dubbing.
Oh yeah, dubbing. Okay. He is also facing the same issue, right?
Because so many are asking, स्वामी जी आप सिर्फ तेलुगु में बताएं, हिंदी में, अंग्रेजी में आई तो बहुत अच्छा होता है.
The point is, the thing is, as I know, you know all the languages, Hindi, English, I don't know how, but you know all the languages. But your disciples are more in Telugu, so
Yeah.
it will be convenient for you to
Yeah,
make
yeah,
videos in Telugu,
exactly. Because my priority, see, for example, if a sick son is there for a mother, she give more priority to the sick son. No?
Exactly.
No, correct, no? So like that, in total India,
Yes.
this Andhra Pradesh is more sick. Sick means they are polluted by this passion of 1 and 2, Islam and Christianity.
Christianity.
Ayyuyo, now topmost AP.
Hey, Guruji, I also want to ask you something about this Christianity.
Yeah.
As I know, you are also in ISKCON, right?
Yeah.
You believe in ISKCON.
Yeah.
But that ISKCON is also made by those Christian peoples and all. So you consider those also?
I tell you, actually ISKCON started by Srila Prabhupada from Calcutta.
But he was some Britisher or some.
No, I tell you.
Foreigner, right?
No. I tell you.
Guruji, earlier I used to go ISKCON a lot, but when I get that news that ISKCON, all the donation,
No. I tell you.
went to foreign,
No.
then I going the ISKCON.
No. It is only my myth. I tell you, my Guru Maharaj was an American. You know,
Yours?
my Guru Maharaj, that's my spiritual master, is American.
Fine.
His name is His Holiness Jay Patak Swami Maharaj. He was sick from past 10 years, 11 years.
Okay.
He was unable to walk. He's in wheelchair, and his kidney and liver are transplanted.
Fine.
So he can't speak properly because of paralysis, and one of the eye is not properly visible. Still, he struggled to preach about Bhagavad Gita.
Wow.
Every day, you just type Jay Patak Swami live, it will come. He struggled a lot for Krishna, Dharma. And ISKCON is started by Srila Prabhupada to propagate this Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam around the world.
Okay.
You know,
But
ISKCON is...
I don't know.
Yeah.
I got messages from various persons that this ISKCON, all the donation from India went to foreign.
No, because ISKCON
stop
system,
going,
it's
stop.
never happened because a myth, you know. ISKCON, there is a big temples and very small temples also. Like Bangalore is a big temple, Delhi is a big temple,
Yeah. Vrindavan
Hyderabad,
also.
Tirupati big temple, and there is a small temples which they survive very with so much struggle.
Okay.
When India give money to others means it's not possible, you know, because Prabhupada says he made a system. ISKCON is one, but centers are individual.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
every temple is individual to run temple because there is so much food donation, so much cow.
But personally, Guruji, I've never saw any such of food donation and all from ISKCON. And
You never
first of
seen?
all, no, I've never seen them to do anything such thing.
Very bad. That means you may be not come out from house because every day, you know, 20 lakhs people are getting food from ISKCON every day.
Okay.
Every day,
This
only.
information I got from you, but
Huh?
because of the WhatsApp messages I got,
See,
I
WhatsApp.
seriously never went to ISKCON from
Please,
that day,
this is
never
very
donated.
bad actually. Very bad. If you believe only WhatsApp means you go wrong track. Don't go.
But just not because of WhatsApp, but most of my relatives were also in not favor of ISKCON. They sent me to Vrindavan, Banke Bihari ji. You must be know, right?
Arey, Banki Bihar, without Banki Bihar darshan, how you can come out from
Yes,
Vrindavan?
Guruji. So Vrindavan, Banke Bihari ji, then we have started donating in Banke Bihari ji.
That's it's okay. But you see, ISKCON is doing a great service to the country and mankind. See,
Because when I visit to Vrindavan ISKCON last time, I saw all the beggars outside the ISKCON temple.
that's okay.
And they are not having any food from
No, every day they get food.
there. So
Every day.
I just believe the WhatsApp message must be right because I saw what I
See,
saw is what I just
if there is beggars means, how you can say they are not getting money? I used to give money, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees. So from morning to night, so much they will earn, more than your husband earn.
Yes. This is right.
That's another thing. 1 minute, just wait. ISKCON food donation. You just type ISKCON food donation. Vegetarian curry, pasta, pakoda, free food meals, prasadam served up by Hare Krishna devotees in London.
Okay.
Big video. And in India, you can't count. See, Food for All London, food distribution by Gangaram Prabhu. COVID-19 crisis, ISKCON Food for Life distribution from worldwide donation during. Food for Life, prasadam distribution at homeless shelters, ISKCON, Toronto. And big bandas, how India cooks 90,000 meal in 3 hours, India's mega kitchen.
Okay. No,
See,
no, I really trust you, Guruji. That's why I just start this topic, because from last 2-3 years I have this confusion about this
why?
topic.
No, no. See, whenever somebody says, for example, if somebody says, Radhamana Guruji drinking coffee tea, if somebody says,
Okay, okay.
see, there is a rule, ISKCON, no meat eating, no illicit sex, no gambling, no coffee, no tea, no onion, no garlic,
Yes.
no supari.
Okay.
In Ayodhya, they gave Ram supari,
Okay.
one temple. I didn't take. In Vrindavan also, Radha Seva Kunj, they will give, Seva Kunj.
we also offer supari to
Yeah,
Bhagwan.
Bhagavan ko, see,
Yes,
but if,
because we feel supari a good, a pleasant.
yeah, it's,
I
see,
don't know.
offering to the Lord is nothing.
Okay.
But we should not, we means, you can take, you are a Gruhini,
Okay.
so you are a housewife, you can take, but as sadhus, we should not take actually.
Okay. Guruji.
It's prohibited for us. So what I am saying, so afternoon I got prasadam from temple, rice and sabji and dahi I had.
Okay.
So now I offered a fruit. 2 fruits I offered and 1 fruit I distributed. So I may going to take this fruit. My assistant asked, Prabhuji, evening prasadam. No, I am not. So this fruit is enough.
Okay, Guruji.
See, I am alone. So I can take some milk and I can drink coffee, no? Who will stop? Who will comment on me if I drink coffee?
Okay.
See, there is a honesty, na?
Yes.
And I'm not bothered about, I'm not worried about coffee or tea because I left 20 years ago.
Okay.
20 years ago,
So
I left,
much
no?
of sacrifices.
Yeah, we have to.
Yes, Guruji.
See, if you want to close to God means, you have to leave such things.
I used to try a lot, but I don't know. I have, but for some time, not for the always, for the lifelong. But as in I have wished to marry Nikhil, so I have sacrificed chocolates, everything related to chocolate.
See,
Then
that means, say you love chocolate so much,
Yeah.
but your love for Nikhil is more than chocolate.
Yes.
You want Chaki or Nikki?
Yes.
See, the priority makes you, correct, na?
Exactly. Guruji.
Everything depends on the priority. I used to give one example. For example, I'm in your house, so I'm touched. I want some water.
Okay.
Swati, get me 1 glass of water. At the same time, you are able to bring water for me. Immediately, somebody bitten by a scorpio or snake.
Okay.
So, what is the priority for you?
I think I must say sorry to you and then.
No need. You must leave me. You must forget about me and you should attend there.
Attend it.
You should save.
Yes.
Because important the life. If I want water, I will go and get it.
Yes, Guruji.
What is not matter? You can say sorry later.
But Guruji, there is a lot of time a situation came in our life that we have to choose from two a single.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm.
But there's a lot of confusion that we have to choose our promises or our responsibilities.
See,
There's a lot of confusion.
when topic related to priority, I tell you, Krishna took a vow. You know, I never take a weapon.
Okay.
Do you know that?
No, I have never heard this.
You have been to Kurukshetra?
No, I've never went to
Arey
Kurukshetra.
ba, just 3 hours you must go.
Okay, Guruji.
You born there? You born in Delhi? Huh?
Yes. No, I born in Haryana.
See, Kurukshetra in Haryana.
Okay.
Do you know that?
No, Kurukshetra. Yeah, exactly. I know Kurukshetra.
But you have not been.
No, I have never been to there.
You must, because Krishna spoken Bhagavad Gita there.
Okay.
So wonderful place. Wonderful. I used to, whenever I go there, and where Krishna spoke Bhagavad Gita, there is a tree, and underneath of the tree I sat and I chant 1 or 2 chapters of Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
And Bhishma was right there more than 50 days. There, so many people come from these Telugu places, and they used to chant Vishnu Sahasranama.
Okay.
It's a beautiful place. You must visit. And there is a Brahma Sarovar. Wow! Your eyes become like big Sarovar. Are kitna bada baba.
Acha.
You very big. And
If I ever get this opportunity, I will definitely go.
you must go. Please go. And what I am going to say, when our topic is Krishna took a vow, Pratijna, I never use weapon in this Kurukshetra war.
Yes.
But Bhishma made a vow. I will make Krishna to take a weapon.
Yes.
So
I saw Mahabharata.
Do you remember this?
Yes, I remember all
Remember?
this. He was,
See, what Krishna gives priority?
He was just behind the Arjun.
That's it. No. See,
You.
topic is different. Krishna took a vow. I never take weapon. And Bhishma made a vow. I will make Krishna to take weapon.
Okay.
Which is come true and materialized. Bhishma's words or Krishna's words?
Krishna's words.
No.
He didn't any weapon. He didn't.
No. Krishna used a weapon.
At
And
the
Krishna
end.
lost. You know? Krishna did not keep his vow.
Okay.
Why?
Just because of the priorities must be
Priority to whom?
to Arjun.
No.
I guess.
Bhishma.
Okay.
You see,
I have just saw the Mahabharata in just bits, not in the.
you must see in depth. I tell you one thing. In future,
Matlab, you must have to not stuck with your words. According to the situation, you must be changed.
yeah,
Is
I
this
tell
what
you,
want to
I tell you, in future you will get children's, no?
Yes.
Then you will get you understand the priority. When you get children's, no, you understood the priority.
No, but I understand during my struggle period of
Yeah, that's
getting married with
yeah,
Nikhil because
yeah.
there was lot
See,
of-
Krishna, see, for example, so mother is hungry. At the same time, the child also is hungry.
Okay.
So, mother give priority to whom?
Obviously, to his child.
Even though she is hungry, she bare and she took the child and feed. Correct?
Exactly, Guruji.
See, one movie I saw, so I can't express the pain.
That song you sent me, dude. That song you asked me, Ma. I guess.
Oh, even recently in Hyderabad also I sang, and I remember you. I recollect. Oh ma, oh ma, oh ma, oh ma, कितनी अच्छी है, कितनी बोली
प्यारी है,
कितनी प्यारी है.
Oh, Ma.
Who sang this actually? Lata Mangeshkar, na?
Must be Lata Mangeshkar.
Yeah, original one. But actually, I have not seen first Lata's ji. First, some girl from Calcutta, she sang the same song, and I get tears.
Oh my God.
Really, I get tears.
I used to have goosebumps.
Really, all these feelings I got. I don't know actually the original movie song, but I thought that girl.
But the link I've sent you, that was
You
of
sent
the
both.
original one.
After you send only, I understood this was from a movie. Well, otherwise, no, I thought this is that girl's song.
Okay, okay.
But anyhow, what I'm saying, no, the priority. Krishna thought, see, if I lose, if I'm not keep my words, it's no problem. But my devotee should not lose.
Okay, okay.
So Krishna took a vow, I never take weapon. But Bhishma made a vow, I make Krishna to take weapon. So Krishna want to lose.
Yes.
But Krishna don't want his devotees to lose.
Yes.
Like
This is really a very good lesson you taught me today, and a very big confusion that I used to carry with me.
no.
Whether to. So you have cleared all the concept of me related to this concept.
Very simple.
It is always a pleasure to talk to you, Guruji. Always. I don't know. Whenever I feel down, whenever I feel, sad or very low, I always feel wow and a positive vibes on the phone from you.
No.
It's always good to talk to you about any topic, any related to God, any topic, anything.
No. One cinema director, he came to me
Okay.
and he used to speak in phone, and when he called me, he's explaining to his kith and kins or his relatives. He's explaining when he was in a mood of something like commit suicide, like that.
Okay.
Some failures comes, no. When he faced so many failures, and he called me. He said words as you said now. He is explaining to his friends. See, whenever you feel very sorrow and depressed, just you call Guruji, you get so much strength.
Strength. Exactly. This is what I was trying to say. That I don't know why, but I feel very strength. And whenever I feel low and down, I used to hurt. I used to recall those words you told me.
Long, 10 years ago, 12 years ago.
And that's really worked for me a lot. And now, till now also. Right now I was driving car and I don't know why, but I was feeling very low. Then I just parked my car side the road and I call you because in home it was not able to call you because due to some network issue and due to some responsibilities, and also I'm living in a joint family.
Yeah.
So it won't be possible for me all the time. But whenever I just get time, I always prefer to call you to hear your good speeches, your lines, your words. That always help me and that always decline me to God. Whenever I feel that not feeling good, then you force me to chant Hare Krishna. And in between I forget, I don't get time, or I lose that just chusba to chant Hare Krishna. And whenever I talk you, I start chanting a lot of. Now tomorrow I will chant a 5, 6, and with that slowly I will come to 3, then 2, then 1, then after later, then I stop it. Then fades. Again I'll call you, then you again push me, then I again start chanting Hare Krishna.
It's like a charging.
Yeah, you are my charger to charge me for Hare Krishna.
It's very important, Nana. See, in Telugu, whenever I get sorrow, because I don't have nobody except Krishna, no? You know, I have told you, no, 4 years ago, almost 5 years, my mother also passed away.
Yes, you told me.
So, of course, from when I joined ISKCON, after reading books only, I joined ISKCON. So, my steps with determination and philosophical understanding only. Whenever I face problem or I get a joy or sorrow, anything. So, whenever I get some pain, I used to remember this shloka. I explain you later, but let me sing this in Telugu actually.
Yeah, sure, Guruji.
బలమెవ్వడు బలహీనులకు బలమెవ్వడు కరిరాజుకున్ బలమెవ్వడు సుగ్రీవాదులకున్ బలమెవ్వడు పాండురాజ సుతుల భార్యకున్ బలమెవ్వడు నీకు నాకు నిజముగా కృష్ణ. You never get anything, meaning?
Yes, no. But next time when I'll call you, I'll definitely understand the meaning of this.
I tell you. So, but see, some people say, Swamiji, I have another channel. Name is RM Das Kadambam.
Okay.
So Kadambam means, it's a wonderful food.
Okay.
For Lord Balaji. Anyhow, so someone commented in that. But that channel only for songs.
Okay.
And slokas and poems.
Okay.
The channel only for that. One person commented, Guruji, I don't know what you are singing, but I am enjoying. Like some sweet, we don't know how they made, but we enjoyed, no?
Yes.
We don't know ingredients, correct?
Yes, Guruji.
Like
yes.
the sweetness comes from the person, no?
Okay. Yes,
Like one song. You will enjoy one. I will send you link while coming from Haridwar to Ayodhya.
Okay.
We met one wonderful two families. They are Mishra families.
Okay.
Mishra like a Misri.
Okay.
Like very sweet. There is a sweet girl, some third class, and her brothers, very cute. And we continuously, almost 1 hour, we had wonderful satsang. Even after watching, after I upload, they also watched. Oh, really, we had wonderful time with Guruji. What we did, that 1 hour? We sang, what is the song? प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 श्री राम 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 मात पिता बंधु सखा सब ही राम राम मात पिता बंधु सखा सब ही राम राम निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम पाप मिटे दुख कटे एक राम नाम पाप मिटे दुख कटे एक राम नाम भव समुद्र सुखद नाम एक राम नाम भव समुद्र सुखद नाम एक राम नाम राम 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 श्री राम 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 श्री राम राम राम.
Beautiful. And this is in Hindi, so I feel more good.
You do know? I asked that girl, do you know this Jai Jagadish area? I'm going here.
Yes.
We all together. Jai Jagadish Hare, Swami Jai Jagadish Hare, Bhakta Janon ke Sankat, Bhakta Janon ke Sankat, Kshan mein dur kare. Om Jai Jagadish Hare. This song, and again Dashavatara Stotram. Every day night Harati I used to do with this song only. प्रलयापा योधजले धृतवानसि वेदम् वीतवहितचरित्रमखेदम् केशवदूता मीनशरीर जय जगदीश हरे केशवदूता मीनशरीर जय जगदीश हरे. Like this songs and explaining about the songs and satsang ho gaya. Satsang ho gaya, that's it. See, I sang this Telugu, no? I tell one song, no? Just now. Balamevadu. Swati.
Yes, Guruji.
I sang, no? Balamevadu balaheenulaku. The meaning of that poem, who is the strength for wakers?
Krishna.
Yes, that's what the conclusion of
When
that.
Krishna is here, no need to fear you.
Yes.
You told me this line and I've learned it by heart.
Yeah, repeat again.
When Krishna is here, nothing to fear.
Who told?
I always, you told me.
Long
you
ago.
made me, yeah, you long ago you told me this line when I used to cry a lot for Nikhil. Then you told me this line. This line always gives
Strength.
yes
Yes.
a belief.
Yeah, really. See, that sloka, that poem's conclusion is that only. Who protected, who gave strength to the Panduraja Sutula Bharyan means the wife of Pandava.
Pandavas.
And,
yeah, Kunti, right?
Kunti also.
She asked for sorrows.
Yeah. Struggle. Give me more struggles. And,
So that I always remind you, I always keep you.
Yeah. See, that's why our strength is our bhakti. Correct?
Yes,
Strength should come from inside, not from outside.
Yes, Guruji.
Correct? So that's what the conclusion of that poem is. Balamevadu balaheenulaku. Balaheenulu means wakers. Balamevadu balaheenulaku. Balamevadu karirajukun. Kariraj means Gajendra.
Okay.
Balamevadu sugrivadulakun. Sugriva.
Okay, Guruji.
Brother of Vali.
Yes, Bali.
The king of Vanra.
Yes, Yashoda Maiya's second child, right?
No, Sugriva is in Ramayana.
Yay, Bali. Acha, Bali, okay. Two brothers of...
Yeah. Say, you know, there is a Indonesia, one place is called Bali.
Yes.
Bali means Vali.
Okay.
You know, even today, every year they celebrate 42 days Ram Leela Utsav.
Acha, okay.
So that's the poem's conclusion is who is the strength for the Sugriva, who is the strength for Pandava's wife, and who is the strength for this Gajendra, and Balamevadu Niku Naku Nijamuga Krishna. Really, our strength is Krishna only. That is the conclusion.
Yes.
So always, that's why Prabhupada says, always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna.
Yes, Guru. And I will never. And will also help me to not forget him anytime.
See, and one more thing. So, while this, what is the use of discussing and associating with sadhu sant? केवल भगवान को याद करने के लिए सत्संग का फल क्या है?
फल यही है कि
ये ना
संतस एंड गुरुजी's Prabhuji always helps to make a path to reach the God.
Yeah. See, what present I am listening. Just I on. Just listen. My favorite one.
मानो गोपी कहना तो कुछ और ही चाह रही है. क्या कहना चाह रही है? भैया तेरा लाला कौन है? अरे जो अज्ञानी जीव संसार के खूंटे में बना है जन्म मरण की लंबी रस्सियों से जिसका गला बंधा है। मुक्त होने के लिए जन्म जन्मांतरों की साधना करता है, तब कहीं जीव मुक्त हो पाता है। पर तेरे लाला ऐसे हैं कि जिस पर कृपा दृष्टि डालें।
I told you previously, the orator, wonderful speaker from Vrindavan, name is, I forgotten now. Okay, he is great, Parashar Maharaj.
Okay.
I don't see in his pic, but from more than 10 years, I am hearing morning one of bit from that class lecture. अम्बरीश महाराज के लिए बताता है. So Ambarish Maharaj is a great king, son of Nabhag, and every day is cleaning temple.
Okay.
He was king and he is cleaning the temple. So one day a big temple, while cleaning he got tired.
Okay.
He just closed his eyes and he is relaxing.
Okay.
Some cool wave come,
Oh.
wind. He opened eyes, where it comes. भगवान आके पंखा जलाता है.
अरे वाह.
हाँ, this peacock feather ना,
Yes, yes.
peacock feather से भगवान fanning to the Ambarish Maharaj.
अरे वाह.
हाँ, अम्बरीश महाराज
This is so
सरप्राइज, हे भगवान क्यों मैं आप ऐसा करता है. देन लॉर्ड रिप्लाइड, सी you are a king and without any what's called proud. In
Yes.
Telugu you say beshajam. So without any build up, without any proudness, you are serving me like a menial servant. So I am doing थोड़ा सेवा आपके लिए. भगवान ने,
हाँ जी.
that is the beauty of Krishna.
Yes, yes.
That's why he says aham bhakta paradina. I don't have any freedom. Krishna says, Krishna is supreme Lord, no?
Yes.
But he says, I don't have any freedom.
He is in the control of his
His devotees. Aham bhakta paradina.
Yes. भक्तों के अधीन है.
Ah, see, see, thousands of years, so many rishis, munis, they are doing tapasya, but they won't get Krishna. But Yashoda Maya, she
Yes.
got,
Yes.
and she
Yes,
tied.
yes. Yes, yes.
Every Kartik we used to sing. I told you maybe. Namamishwaram Sachidanandarupam Lasat Kundaram Gokule Brajamanam Yasoda Biyoluka Labdavamanam Paramrushamatyanta Produtya Gopya. How I am playing this, you know?
This music behind you, you beat this music. This really This really makes your words more beautiful.
See how I made this sound, you know? I told you, there is a fruit and there is a knife and there is a dahi patra.
Beautiful sound coming out from those utensils.
See, when there is a मन है, हिंदी में बताता है ना, मन है तो चंगा हाथ में मिलेगा गंगा. Like that. See, when you have heart, every part become a music item.
Music.
Everything. See, everything. When we need heart. That's why in Telugu, the beautiful song from Annamaya, Annamaya is sung, Kannule duttide ganavaikuntamu vennu nikolachina vijnanikini talachinadella tatvarahashyame vinina yogiki dinadinamu పలికినదెల్లా పరమ మంత్రమే కన్నులెదుటిదే ఘన వైకుంఠము వెన్నుని కొలచిన విజ్ఞానికిని. Meaning of this song, the Sankirtana. Vijnani means the person who had knowledge and he applies the knowledge. For such a person, he see Vaikuntha in front of his eyes.
Okay.
This world is called Kunta.
Okay.
The Lord's abode is called Vaikuntha.
Okay, Guruji.
We should not stay here in this Kunta.
Okay.
Kunta means where there is only anxiety.
Yes, yes.
See, now my anxiety, you are on the road, you must go to the home.
But we'll talk about that shlok in our next talk.
Yeah, I will conclude now because I have to.
You just remind me that I have to tell you about that shlok. That is very important. I don't learn that shlok. I didn't remember that shlok.
Which
You
one?
told me the one when we start taking about that shlok. You used to read when you are in sorrow and when you are
Yeah.
not.
Balamevadu balaheenulaku. Yeah, wonderful.
Yes.
See, I can talk only on this small poem at least 8-10 hours.
Okay.
So much is there in that shloka. One great scholar, whenever he called me, Swamiji, can you please sing for me? He used to request me while conclude my phone talk. See, whenever we had what's called a love for God, affection for God, so our words. See, actually, I told a lot. I send the children. They are not leaving me. Yeah, you must go. I'm tired. I have to do puja. I have to go for japa. Just I sat. Unavoidable call came.
Okay.
That call name is Bangaru. That is a problem. So, see, I can't skip. I can't like, because just I said, if I'm in a journey or something, I have not seen, that's it, okay. But so you are happy?
Yes, I'm always happy after talking to you.
You got recharged.
Yes, I got recharged. I got full talk time, full battery.
That's good.
This is always good. to
So
talk to
anything
Guruji.
you want to say? You want to share?
Sorry, Guruji.
You want to say anything or you want to share anything?
But in next talk, I must go home because
Please,
my
too
mother-in-law
late.
must be waiting for
Please,
me.
please.
Yes.
Huh?
Okay, Guruji.
Please, Dana,
We'll
take
talk.
care.
Thank you,
Garam
Guruji.
roti खाओ,
जी।
सब्जी का साथ,
Okay.
निखिल का साथ.
Okay, Guruji.
That is only path. That is only truth. Take a oath.
Okay, Guruji.
Nana,
Hare
please,
Krishna.
Nana, please take care, Nana. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.